Hey, we're back! And it's 1 a.m. And we're doing a quick install, a battery install. I want to drive this car tomorrow, so let's get started. It's gonna be a quick one. Okay, time to get this battery out. So we're installing a battery tonight. Or should I say morning? Is it morning already? It's the negative and the positive. Oh, it's good to have tools. And make sure you don't go to any contact. Okay, so take one down. We're going with a Perrin battery tie down. The positive terminal. Let's take out this cover. Okay, that looks loose, I think. I hope so. It doesn't feel loose, but it's super loose. Just probably need to wiggle it. Oh, there you go. I think I just need to loosen that one up. Another shop towel. Cover that. Put that somewhere. Put it right here. Maybe. There you go. And let's go back to our tie down. Okay, got that removed. So here's the problem I'm having with the 2017 models. They put this freaking battery holder thingies. Okay, I can just twist it, I think. So tried tugging it for the past hour, and I don't wanna. Ooh, it's a quick install then, I assume. Said this would be heavy. Ooh, could be heavy. So wow. Oh, this one is heavy. I'm just kidding. Okay. Old one is out. I'll probably clean this tray and call it a day or a night. Ooh, dirty. So I forgot to tell you, it's very dirty up here. We'll go clean up a bit. Super dirty. I'll just end up wiping them out. The vacuum is not doing anything, so I'll be right back. We're done cleaning. Battery tray cleaned. Then we'll put back the battery tray. Looks dry already. It looks like we have guide holes over here. Put the battery tray back. Again, we gotta do battery. We went with Antigravity RE-START Edition. 40 amp hours on positive on the right. Okay, positive on the right. Okay, yeah, that's right. Finally got two battery. This battery comes with two key fobs, so I can jump start it. So I don't have to jump it manually while I'm on the road. So let's open this one up. Let's see what's inside. Ooh, the special bag. Ooh, there's remotes. Okay. What is this thing? What the heck is this thing? I don't know what this is. Looks like a hardware, but hopefully I won't need it. Ooh, we got a fancy battery. I'm just gonna take out the label. Okay. Wow, I can carry this with one. Okay. Oh, fancy. Okay. So negative, then positive. Okay. Ooh, it's a good lightweight battery. Do the battery tie down. Okay. So I want it that way. Ooh. Do this. So that one goes in there. Ooh. So usually in fact they'll shape this one. So my battery is still moving. This feels like. Now we'll put back the positive, then the negative. Okay, let's do that. Okay, no metal to metal contact. Let's try this bad boy out. Okay. Ooh. Now I know where the hardware goes. Ooh, saw the spark. Let's make it pretty. Let's do it that way. Oh, I need the button. This thing got a button. Oh, I don't want to block that. Yeah. So this thing got a button, so we'll face it that way a little bit. Okay, I'm just gonna make sure everything's tight for the last time. Battery tie down looks okay. See that paint on that tie down stripping, but no biggie. Okay, that one's tight. This one's tight. That should be it. Thanks for watching. New battery. Let's see if we can drive this car tomorrow. And I almost forgot something. Forget the cap. Ooh, that looks so good now. Ooh, baby. Ooh, that looks so good. Okay. See you next time.